Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you've been before. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below for more content. And today's gonna be a little day in my life vlog. So it is now 10 a.m. and I just finished getting ready. Basically, today's plans: I need to return something to the Nike store, so I'm gonna go there. And there's usually a really long line at the Nike store. I don't know if you've been to one since COVID, but the line OD. So I'm gonna try to go there like 10:45ish because I open at 11, so I can get in and get out. And then I have class at 12:15. So yeah, from 12:15 to 1:40. I have a class, so I'm obviously gonna like listen to that. And then I also have a homework assignment due tomorrow night that I'm going to do today. It's supposed to take like 2 hours, so hopefully I can do it a little faster than that. But those are the plans for the day. And then later on, I'm gonna try to get a workout in. It's been so long since I've like worked out and worked out consistently, so I need to get back on track with that. So those are the plans for today. But I also did want to update you guys a little bit on life, because I know it's been a minute. In my last vlog, I had mentioned that I wanted to give you guys some updates, but that vlog was so long, I just didn't want to make it any longer. So I said I would put them in my next vlog. So welcome, we're here at the next vlog. The first major update, which you've probably guessed by now, is that I am taking all my classes online for the semester. For those of you who don't know, I am a grad student at St. John's University. I also went there undergrad, and I am doing my master's in risk and financial advisory. And then after I graduate in a year, I have my full-time offer to go into consulting. So those are the plans. And so all my classes are online for this semester. I will be home. And that was like my bigger update that I wanted to share with you guys. But also I wanted to update you on the whole pescatarian situation, because I think that was my last vlog when I said that. It was like a couple months ago, or like a month and a half, whatever. We're not doing that anymore. So I did do like the pescatarian eating and stuff for like 2 weeks-ish. And it just, I was getting really sick and tired of fish. So like that was like the major issue. And being that the only meat that you eat when you're pescatarian is fish, like that really wasn't gonna work. But I'm still eating healthy, and I actually want to do a what did I eat in a day at some point, so maybe I'll do that for you guys because I do have some really healthy meal ideas that I want to share. So those are my major updates there, and yeah. Okay, so this is what I am wearing today. I have on this Victoria's Secret pink workout set thing. I've spoken about these in a video before, so yeah, I don't wear them as much anymore, but I still like them and think that they look really flattering on. So yeah, I'm wearing that because I plan on working out later. And then I have on this t-shirt, which is actually from someone that I go to school with. They have like a clothing line, and him and his brother, and it just says the American justice system is demonic. The brand is Good Clothing, so I will put a link below. Editing Bria, you heard this, make sure you put that link down there. But anyway, I am going to head out. I was gonna make breakfast before I go, but it's already 10:30, and like I said, the line gets outrageous. They open at 11, so I want to make sure I get there early. It should take me like 15 minutes to get there, but I'm just gonna bring this RX bar with me. It's the sea salt chocolate one, just in case I get hungry before I get back or anything. And when I get back, I'm gonna make some whole wheat pancakes. So that's that. I'm gonna grab my wallet and my sunglasses, and then I'm gonna head out. Okay guys, so it is 12:10 right now, and I have class in 15 minutes. I just got home from the Nike store, and then I also went to CVS. I went a bit crazy at the Nike store. You're not focused. Hi. I went a bit crazy at the Nike store because there was just, so I went to return these shoes, well, exchange them. So I returned the pair that I got. I still wanted like that model of training shoe, which I'll show you guys when it comes in. But I originally had ordered the pink colorway in them, and then I ordered them in a 10, which is like my true like shoe size. I'm a size 10. But they must run small, like that shoe, because I needed like a 10.5. Hopefully I don't need an 11, but I know I need a bigger size than a 10 because those just were not cutting it. So I had to exchange them, and I had to get the white colorway with whatever the white ones are, with like the little like blue detailing, I think. So I ended up getting those, and then I walked around the store afterwards, and that my friends is where I messed up. I ended up getting way more than what I went there for, and I got a pair of running shoes as well, because those were training shoes, the ones that like I exchanged. So they ordered them for me because they weren't in store. I think you can only get those online right now because they're brand new, but they ordered those for me, and they should be here in like a few days. But the running shoes, I tried them on, they were so comfortable, so I got them, and like, yeah, I will show everything to you in a second. Okay, so I am kind of like logging on to my Zoom University class. So I'm just gonna join this meeting, and then I will start the haul for you guys. Okay, so like I said, I went to CVS and Nike, and so from CVS, I picked up these cranberry gummies, and they're by Sundown Naturals, which is like the brand that I like to get all of my vitamins and stuff from. And sorry if you have this beeping in the background, it's people logging onto my online class, because yeah. But yeah, I got these cranberry gummies, and these taste really good, but they're also good for urinary tract health and stuff. So I try to get those every time I see them in the store, because a lot of the time they're sold out. And then the fun part from Nike, so I got these running shoes, and they look like this. They're the Metcons, and they just look like this, and they're so comfortable. It's like unreal. So yeah, I tried them on, and I was like, I'm gonna get them. They were $47.60 for me because I had the extra 30% off of the shoes and outlet plus my 20% off military discount. So I got those. If you go to Nike, use your military discount, it's 20% off. It's great. Next I got some shorts, some running shorts, because I have a bunch of like Nike Pros and stuff, but I don't have like the loose running shorts, and so I got them in white and in pink, and they have like the little drawstring inside, which is nice. And then they have like the zipper on the back, which is also nice. So I wanted to get some of those for working out. And then I have so many Nike swoosh sports bras at this point, but I saw these and I really liked the colors of them, so I got them. I got this one in like this burnt orangey color, and then it has like the black band and the black swoosh. So I got that. And then I saw this one, and I don't know why, but I have like this attraction to like nude colored things. This sports bra was $27.99. I keep forgetting to say prices. This one was $24.99. And then the shorts were each $29.99, so $30 each. And then last but not least, I never buy workout like tops. I always get sports bras and shorts and leggings. So today I decided to pick some tops up, some tank tops. And so I found this one. I loved these. They're like ribbed. If you can see the detailing there, yeah, they're ribbed. And they're just like a really nice material. So I got a white one, and then I just got a black one because I just thought that they'd match best with everything. And then each of these was $25. So that's everything that I got while I was out, and I'm gonna listen to my class now and also make myself some whole wheat pancakes. Hey guys, it is a little bit later. It's 1:47 now. I just finished my class, and so I'm finally gonna eat because I haven't eaten anything yet today and I'm starving. I have some leftover whole wheat pancake mix from the other day, so I'm going to make some of those right now, and then I'm probably gonna watch some YouTube videos while I do that. So I did like nothing I was supposed to do, which was homework and workout. I am gonna work out and I am gonna do my homework, but I got into like this weird, you know, this idea popped in my head, and I was like, girl, you need to clean out your closet because there's a bunch of stuff in there that you don't wear and are not ever gonna wear. So that got me into doing this, and now my closet is like quite empty. So yeah, there's like a dress in there that I'm confused about whether or not I want to get rid of. So yeah, that's in there. These 3 dresses, I just got them, so I know I want to keep them. And then this like kimono is like my robe, so that I don't know, but that is a giveaway pile. I think I'm still gonna try on everything though, so yeah. I am going to either put this stuff on Depop or Poshmark probably. I have to decide which one I want to do and like figure things out, but yeah, that pile is going for sure. This is my maybe pile. This pile are my like things that I'm gonna keep. That's keep, but like work keep, work dress keep, really basic stuff that like I'm not sure right now. And then these are all of my jackets that I'm keeping. So that's everything so far. Sorry if you hear my father yelling in the background. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm about to try on all this stuff and cry while I do it. Okay, so I finished taking like out stuff that I want to get rid of. This is what my closet is looking like now. I completely reorganized everything in it as well. So I have it set up so that like my casual long sleeve shirts are over here, and then my sweaters, and then my hoodies, zip ups, pullovers, crew necks, etc. And then back here are like my dresses and stuff. And then down here, all of like my cute tops, like summery and crop tops, as you can see, are over here because they're a lot shorter. And then it goes from like short sleeve to like long sleeve. But like these are all my cute tops and stuff like that. And then like there's some work shirts over here, and then all of like my jackets and stuff. And then the other side of my closet basically looks the same, except for over here, these are some really long dresses that I got from Free People, and so I just keep them over there because that's like the only section of my closet that like has that much length. So yeah. And then my shoes basically just look the same. Pretty much all that's going on right now. I think I'm about to do a homework assignment and then finally work out, and we will go from there. Hey guys, so I finished my homework earlier and I also ate dinner since last time I spoke to you. Yeah, it's 9:12 now, so it's like pretty late, and so I'm going to work out, then shower, do my Bible study, and then go to bed, I think, at this point. So hopefully I can get myself to work out because honey. And then also I've been doing laundry, so like my bed is stripped of everything right now. And these are just some things that I have to put away, but I just put all this laundry away. So that's what I've been doing since I spoke to you last, but I'm gonna go change to work out. Hey guys, I'm ready for bed now. It is 11:34 and I usually will try to be in bed by now, but clearly it didn't happen tonight. I'm about to do my Bible study and devotional. I've been trying to do that every night recently, and so this is my devotional. I've showed it on my channel before. It's called My Utmost for Its Highest, and it's by Oswald Chambers. And my camera's focusing on me instead of the book, but yeah, that's it. And then I just used this notebook that I got from TJ Maxx, I think, and it just has random musings on it. It has like these flowers, it's really pretty, and then like the lines are also super nice in this, so, and the pages are big. So that's how I like to take my notes, and I just write in it with pen. And then I'm actually using this app. I have an actual Bible. It's over there. It's pink and brown, and she's so beautiful. But I've been doing my Bible studies using this app that Lauren Doan on YouTube actually mentioned, and it's called Read Scripture. And it is so nice because like it plays a video for you first about what you're about to read, and then like they're like such good illustrated videos by a specific like Bible study video company. It's like Bible animated basically. And then it gives you your like reading for the day, which is usually like three chapters, and then you do a psalm and like a prayer at the end. So that's what I've been doing. I have Genesis 16 through 18 tonight, and then Psalm 5. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go to bed. And also, I mentioned it to you guys, but I made a brownie in a mug, and it's little. It's like, maybe it doesn't look that cute. Maybe she's not that cute to you. But I just put chocolate chips and walnuts in it. Obviously, if you don't like those things, you don't have to add them. But you just like microwave it, you put all the ingredients in the mug, and it's actually a good recipe. I'll link the recipe that I use down below, and it's just a nice little night treat, a little nightcap if you don't have any actual desserts in your house, or like mixes, or like ice cream or anything. We're out of ice cream here, so I've been making these and I've really been enjoying them, so definitely try it. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and good night.